It's easy to get the profit when you understand market structure. Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we still on Monday, you know, say, and in the market, guys, I'm not gonna lie, the market is still so quiet, you know, say it's not moving that much. But me and my team will already take some opportunity from which pay is that? Let me check the pair that I took with my team. If you know what I'm saying. So we just got some opportunity from Nasdaq, you know, so we just got some opportunity from Nasdaq, and we're still waiting. So gang, as you can see, we already get the profit, and I want to show you guys how I was able to catch this trade right here. And guys, it's very easy to get to the profit when you understand market structure. All you need to know is to understand about key levels in a forex market. So this is how I was able to get this trade. You can see after first touch, second touch, after this 30 touch, this is how I was able to enter in a market with my team, you know, and we're expecting to, you know, to swing the market all the way up there. It's going to be something about maybe something about 120 pips, which is good. This is going to be our take profit right there, you know, but at the same time, as soon as you enter the profit, always make sure you protect your profit. So this is how we're expecting to move, you know what I'm saying. So if you're new to the channel and you feel like you want to join the team, you can check the free Telegram group. The link is on description, and then you join the free Telegram group. After that, you'll be able to join our team. Then we start making this money together. So it's very easy, guys. It's very easy for sure. As you can see, I keep everything simple. I keep everything simple for everyone to understand. As you can see here, guys, you can see the market is just changed the direction, was going on downtrend. First touch, second touch, 30 touch on the zone, then easy, we were in, you know what I'm saying, something like that. Look at this, look at this. If the market break this zone, it's gonna retest at this point and continue downtrend. So it's very easy like that. So guys, I'm back again, guys. I'm back now. You can see, guys, we're getting to the deep profit, guys. You can see we're getting to the money, baby. You know what I say, we're getting to the money, baby. But it's just a start, guys. This is just beginning. We're expecting to make more, you know what I'm saying. You know how we do in the building, man. You know how we do. Yeah, so it's good so far, so cool, you know what I'm saying. So yes sir, this is what is happening, guys. But right now, guys, I want to get out of the building. I'm going to get something from the shop. So guys, we still on Monday, you know, and in the market, guys, I'm not gonna lie, the market is still so quiet, you know, it's not moving that much. But you know, it's Monday, guys. We don't like the market, so we have to accept what the market gives to us, you know what I'm saying. So right now, guys, welcome to my daily life, you know what I'm saying. So I want to go to the mall and purchase something. You know what I'm saying, because my sound bar for the TV is something happened, you know. I think it's bent inside. I don't know what's happening, because it doesn't sound as I want anymore, you know. So I just want to go to the mall and see if I can get another one, you know what I'm saying. But I love the one I had. Let me just go and see if I'll be able to get something nice. You know, say I think I should grab the new one, because I've been with that one for almost 2 years. You know, say maybe it was old. So I want to go to the mall right now. I want to go to the mall and see if I can get one. I think I have no idea which store I will get it from. I was thinking of get it from Take-A-Lot, but Take-A-Lot, I just want it today. I just want it now. But Take-A-Lot, I'll have to wait for some days, and I don't have time to wait. You know, I like the music, guys. I like the music in my free time sometimes. You know, yeah, I like the music. So I just wanna go get the new one like now. You know, say I don't have time to wait for sure. Take-A-Lot, they give you like 3 days, 4 days, sometimes 7 days. Now I'm going right now. So welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my day in life. If you like this kind of content, let's go together, guys. Let's go and see if we're gonna find one. Peace. Can have a stone, bro. Can have a stone. Let me see. Show me. So guys, we're already here, man. We're already here. So I'm thinking of taking this one right here. But this one is better. This one is better than the other one. This one, I would have took this one, but this one is kind of, it's too much bigger, bro. It's not for me. It's too much big. It's like you're taking it to the bar, but this one is cool. And I'm saying it's not too big. It's not, you know. It's just I like this one because like it's just medium, you know. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. And this shop says available on layby, but bro, you know, I don't want to be called every single time. I don't want to owe nobody, you know. I'm just gonna pay cash, because yeah, they're gonna call you every single day. Please bring our money now. I don't want to owe nobody. Just buy cash one time and get away from it. How about this one? This one. It might sound, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it, man. I'm gonna enjoy it so much. It might sound, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it, man. I'm gonna enjoy it so much.
So up to 6 months. So buying the promotion up to 4 months. So is it minimum 10%?
Can I have your signature, sir?
So this is what we got. This is what we got. So this is what we got, guys. It was something about 4K, 4,000. It was 3,999. So 4,000, the change was just 1 rand. So it's just 4,000. They must not fool us. Yo, what's up, gang? We're back in the building, man. We're back in the building. I'm so fucking tired, man. I'm so fucking tired. So let me open up, guys. Let me open up what we got. You know what I'm saying? I wanna go back to the market. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's open up what we got, guys. Yes. So as you can see here, this is what we got, right? This is what we got. We got this one right here, all the way to this point. We got this, and we got these ones, you know what I'm saying, and we got these ones. I think there's a batteries and a remote. All right, so let's first open up this and see how it looks like inside. And also that this is just a book to tell you how you must use it. So I'm sure everyone knows how to use this thing. Yeah, we have it. We have it. Yeah, it's very clean and neat. We have it, guys. See. And then we got this one right here.
Take it down.
This one. This one I think is beautiful. I love this one. This one is beautiful, right? Should I take this one for you? Yeah. So guys, one of my friends invited me to the party, so I think I'm gonna go now. Let's go together, guys. Peace.